Tired of wondering which delivery app actually pays better? Let's break down DoorDash versus Uber Eats for drivers in just 90 seconds. First up, order volume. DoorDash generally dominates in smaller towns and suburbs. Check your area. Are most restaurants on DoorDash? If so, you will likely see higher order frequency. Next, earnings transparency. Both apps show estimated pay upfront, but DoorDash often hides tips above a certain amount. Uber Eats tends to be more transparent with the total payout including tip. Base pay on both apps varies based on distance, time, and demand. During peak hours or in busy areas, you will see surge pricing or boost promotions that increase the base fare significantly on both platforms. Flexibility is a key factor. Both apps let you set your own hours and accept or decline orders. Look at the app at different hours during the day to get a sense of if it's worth driving at that time. So, which is better? It really depends on your location and when you drive. The best strategy, multi-app. Run both DoorDash and Uber Eats simultaneously to maximize your earning potential by accepting the best paying offer.